Hey, I'm Noah Grimm and welcome to Music Store TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about the T-Rex Nitros. Let's check it out. The T-Rex Nitros Hypergain is a distortion pedal that, like the name suggests, packs a lot of gain. It's very easy to use and has the common gain and level knobs for your distortion and volume. And it has basically split its tone knob into a 3-band equalizer. This gives you a lot more freedom in tone shaping options. At 12 o'clock, these knobs will have no effect on your sound, but they can make all the difference when used right. Now let's check out how our sound actually interacts with these controls. Now if you still have any more questions on the T-Rex Nitros, then feel free to leave them in the comment section below or visit our website for more information. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos, then be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time guys, keep rocking!